In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch models in Gemini. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the model picker, what each option is best for, and how to make a confident choice that matches your task. Start by opening your preferred web browser and searching for Gemini. When the results load, look for the official Gemini site from Google. Check the URL and branding to make sure you're on the legitimate page, not a lookalike or an ad that leads somewhere else. Click the correct link to open the Gemini interface. You should see a clean, chat-style page with a text box where you can type your prompt. If you're new to Gemini, take a moment to sign up or sign in. You'll be prompted to use your account and accept the terms before you can access the chat and model options. This is quick and ensures your preferences and chat history save properly. Once you're in, locate the model picker. It sits at the bottom of the screen, inside or just below the text input box. On desktop, it's typically near the left edge of the input area. On mobile, it may appear just above your keyboard or alongside the send button. If you don't see it right away, click into the text box or start a new chat. Sometimes the control appears once the input is active. Next, click the current model name. You might see a label like Fast, Thinking, or Pro displayed there. Clicking it opens a drop-down with the available choices. Here's a quick way to decide. Fast is great for quick answers and low-latency tasks, like brainstorming or simple lookups. Thinking focuses on deeper reasoning and step-by-step analysis, which can help with complex prompts or planning. Pro is designed for more advanced capabilities and higher quality responses, which can be useful for detailed writing, coding, or nuanced tasks. You may also see an option to upgrade to a premium plan. Availability, names, and pricing can vary by region and account type. After you pick a model, choose the desired version from the list if there are multiple variants. Newer versions may add features or improve accuracy, while lighter versions can respond faster. Hovering or tapping may reveal short descriptions to guide your choice. That's it. Your chat now uses the selected model. If you want to double-check, glance back at the picker to confirm the label updated and consider sending a short prompt to see how the model behaves. Remember, you can switch models at any time, so feel free to adjust based on speed, depth, or the kind of help you need.